In comes the doctor and he's like, how long have you had this spot? Well, I found it like a month ago. Definitely found out I had breast cancer. I love sharing my story because you think that it only happens in older people, but it doesn't. My name is Courtney Harris. I first heard about the Laced Hair Foundation from my friend's mom that does hair, and she went to the gala last year and she immediately called me that same night and was like, I have the best thing for you. I want to put you in for this. Would you mind if I do? I'm like, no, please do. When I found out I had to do chemo, I immediately looked at my mom and said, I'm gonna lose my hair. Chemo came in and I did 16 rounds total. I did my first round and everything was fine. I had my hair. Second round, I did it, and that's when my hair started to fall out. It was hard, but it made me stronger. Just that feeling having hair again, and it looks just like I had my hair before, just made me feel so special, like myself again. I was me. The day I received it, it was like a kid in a candy store. I was so excited. I had so much taken from me that this is something that was able to be brought back to me. It does truly give us an identity of who we are. Yes, hair is just hair, but it makes you feel so much better. It makes you feel at home.